Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
And good morning, sir. Thank you so much, sir, to give me this golden opportunity to speak on this stage. After 3 months, I came back on this stage. But now I am agitated. But it's okay. It will happen with everyone. But it's okay. I'll do it. I'll manage my mind. I'll manage myself. But which cost? But which cost? When you manage yourself, then you think about yourself. Then you control yourself. Then you control your mind. How to stand here, how to speak here, how to motivate the people who are standing before you. I think you all are my friends, but I think you all are dull. I am only here, and I am speaking what I am understanding. I can't judge myself, but you can judge me. But I don't care whatever you thought about me. I am the only person who can speak, who can judge myself, who can fight with you. And you are exactly you are not here. In my thought, but you are here. Don't mind, but you are here. And I didn't prepare any topic to speak on this stage, but I want to talk about how to stand here, how to speak here, and how to suggest the person who are sitting before you. How to stand here. This is the courageous style, and this is this gesture like a unfair person. That is called. Phobia. So thank you. It's my first time after 3 months. After 3 months, but I'll manage myself next Sunday, and I'll prepare a good topic to speak on this stage, and that's okay. Thank you so much to hear me to peacefully, and thank you so much.